to my channel. So I haven't did a protective hairstyle video in a very long time. So I figured why not today, since I have to get my hair done today. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but it's a big well, not a big story. It's like a small story that I'll tell you in the voiceover. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to part my hair and I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna do some mini twists since my hair is like almost dry. It'll be puffy mini twists. And because it takes so long to part, I'm gonna part off camera and then I'll come back and I'll just start twisting and get started with the voiceover. Alright, so here we go. So I parted my hair into fours and I'm starting in the back, and I did a smart part there as well. And I'm going to split that in two. So because my hair is almost dry, I need a little bit of moisture to make the twist lock a little bit better. I want it to be puffy, so I don't want it to lock too much. So I just put a dab of Carol Daughter. Is it Carol Daughter? Somewhere. This smooth cream curl gel, I believe. It's really awesome. So I only put a little bit at the base and then a little bit at the ends to make it, to lock in the twist. And what makes it puffy is because my hair is almost dry. If my hair was wet, it wouldn't be puffy, or just be a regular straight twist, which is also cute. But the things where I don't typically do puffy twists because my hair gets tangled very, very easily. So I just don't deal with it. But the reason why I'm doing the puffy twist is because I was supposed to do my hair the day before, but I couldn't because I was traveling. And then when I got home, I was supposed to do my hair that night, but I was just so tired and so exhausted that I just fell out and I was asleep. I even went to bed early. I think I went to bed like around 9:30, and I never go to bed that early. Yeah, so I did 1 to 2 sections, as you can see. That's why I'm doing like 1 and then 2. Anyway, so I fell asleep and I had the deep conditioner. Oh, I'm showing you a closer-up look on how I'm starting out my twist from the root and then working it down. So I left the deep conditioner in my hair for like over a day. I've never left it in that long, but my hair turned out fine. It was okay. There was no worries. So that's number 3. So the deep conditioner that I use is the My-L deep conditioner, which is awesome. And I also use the Can2 deep conditioner as well. So those both work really well. And now there we go. That's all 4 of them complete, and they look so cute. Look at that, so pretty. I love it. So now, because what I said earlier, I will love to leave my hair down like that in the cute puffy twist. But like I said, my hair tangles very easily in this style, and it's just will not work for me when it comes to wash day. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. I know I just want to pin it up and just keep it tucked away. So I'm just going to put it in a high curly bun and just work with that. So when I woke up the next morning, I exercised and then I rinsed out my hair. And when I came out, I just moisturized it, but I didn't have time to do my hair because I had other things to do. So that's why my hair was like almost dry by that time. So I'm just going to wrap that around the satin hair tie, which I got 4 of these satin hair ties from Amazon. I think it was like $10, and I love them. They're awesome. I'm trying to do like a little twist curly peacock up there. When I had straight hair or relaxed hair in middle school, I used to have these huge peacocks on top of my head, and I used to curl it backwards so it actually like a fan, but a peacock. It was so cute. So yeah, just simple drape over the ear because I do not want any hair on my face and breaking out my face, and plus it's just annoying. And I changed my mind about having that side down too, so I'm just going to pin that back as well. And that would do it. This would be my hairstyle for the week, and I'm okay with it. Wish I could leave it for 2 weeks, but I'm not going there. So yeah, that's my video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way I upload every